a little update on the rat bike. We're finally working on it again. We didn't work on it for a while, but we're working. Sorry, excuse my mess, but we're finally cleaning up all this wiring mess. We've got it figured out and everything. So we got this handy dandy loom. It's like burlap loom. Hold on, let me find it here. I should have gotten it ready before I clicked record. But anyhow, it's this little burlap loom, and it's real thin, and we have some super glue. So wherever we start, we put a little drop of super glue, and we start the wrap, and then we just wrap it all the way down the wire, across the whole wire. So this is, one, to make it look better, and two, it's protective reasons, and makes it more stiff and stuff. I actually found it. It's right here. So you can see how thin this stuff is. There's your loom. And I will be posting a tutorial video on this, probably right after I end this video. Once my dad is here to help me, because I did this one by myself and it sucked. But yeah, so we got all the wiring nice and organized, and we're just starting to wrap all of it. Wrap this one, wrap that one, wrap that one, this one. We're just going to wrap all this. That's going to just organize it, protect it, make it look better. And then the reason we're working on the wiring before we put the new engine in, which is right there, you can see how beautiful it is because it's just easier to access all this wiring while the engine's out. So we're going to probably get most of this done tonight. It's currently 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, whatever this is. But and then tomorrow we're going to be putting that in, and then just connect the few wires to stuff that needs to be connected, and then there you go. This thing should be running great. Put the carbs on and everything. We also got new tail lights. They look great. Nice little bullet tail lights. So that looks good. Got them all wired and everything. I actually did all the wiring myself. As you can see, it goes up. It comes up through here into the frame rail, and then just follows it down. And we're gonna wrap this too, and then down into wherever you need it. And of course, here's your switches. We actually moved that key because the keys kept on touching this and was messing it up. So now it's just a hole there, but whatever. It's just airflow. But yeah, so there's your switches for your lights and everything. So yeah, this is probably going to be running tomorrow, so stay updated because it's going to be nice.